This video I am showing you how you can leave group chat in Facebook Messenger. So firstly what you need to do is you have to open your Facebook Messenger app and then open the any of the groups. After opening any of the messenger group, click on the I button in the top right corner, and then from here you have to scroll down, and in the most bottom second last option you can see the leave group. Tap on the leave group, and it is saying that you can choose a new admin from the people listed under members. If you leave the group without choosing a new admin, the most senior group member will become the admin. So you can choose admin, or you can and after that you can click on the leave group in the bottom right corner, and now it is leaving conversation, and now you have left this group. So that's it, that how you can leave group chat in Facebook Messenger. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.